So in terms of acquiring the right assets, not all real estate is the right asset. It means not all real estate is the right asset for it's like stocks. No, not all real estate is the right asset. So when in terms of acquiring more assets and avoiding liability, it means that acquire performing assets. Now, because if the asset is not performing, then again, it's a liability. Acquire based on yield. So acquire based on yield. That's not true. The developer's price is a speculative price. The market price is really like what the market would buy it for, at that price. The more expensive you're able to acquire the property, the lesser the yield you will be getting. And the lesser income it is for you for income properties. Now you have to remember that there are, especially right now, there are a lot of distress sellers or distressed investors. So you could actually acquire the property at 6.5. And this is what we call pasalo properties, which is very important to look at it and not only buy properties from the developer, because it shows it helps us with economic balance. Now, probably the market value is always 20% lower than the price of the developer.